Thanks for joining me. So first I wanted to show you the dried results of the coaster set that I did. I really love how these turned out. Look how shimmery they are. Oh, they're so pretty. And they've got that beautiful pop of yellow that goes throughout it. And all of the cells. And I love how the edges turned out. They turned out just like I was hoping that they would. So as you put them together, you can see how they finish each other off. And I love it, love it, love it so very much. These are available. If you're interested in them, shoot me an email at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. These will get a coat of resin on them. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love how the color just plays off from the light. Alright, so last weekend, my mother, my sister, and I got together and we're doing some painting for fun. And I did a set of coasters in these really pretty blue colors. And I liked them a lot. Here's the other two. And so I decided that I wanted to paint a canvas using the same colors as what are in these tiles. So the canvas that I'm using is a 10 by 20 by Loft. And the colors that I will be using are Titanium White by Master's Touch for the base, Metallic Blue by Artist's Loft, Robin's Egg Blue by DecoArt. This is a patio paint. Extreme Glitter Robin's Egg Blue by FolkArt. Cerulean Blue by Artist's Loft. Cobalt Hue by FolkArt. Nice rich deep color. And finishing up with a pearl green blue by Arteza. Alright, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. canvas is flooded and the bubbles are torched. And hopefully I got all of the goobers out of the paint that I was seeing. So I think I'm going to start over here and just kind of make a lazy S. I guess it would be totally a backwards S also. And I'm going to do one little thing there. Yep. This one was the glitter, so it should make it look really pretty and sparkly. So I made sure I got plenty of that, hopefully. Cerulean glue. And then this Cobalt Hue. And then the pearl green blue on top. Should give it a nice effect as well. Alright, one more time. We are going to torch the bubbles. There's definitely a lot of them. Alright, I'm thinking I know I don't want to blow this way, but I'm not sure if I want to blow it down this way or out this way. I think I'm going to blow it out this, well, no, I think I'm going to blow it down into this area right here first. Wow, 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 that is so pretty. So there wasn't as much white here as there was down here. And as I blew it that way, it didn't really want to move a whole lot. But I was still trying to get it to go up that way a little bit more. I still didn't get it. I love all the cells that are happening. It's so beautiful. Kind of wish this one was a little bit fuller in through here. But I really don't want to mess up the cells that are happening there. And that's one other thing with me blowing this so much. There's probably not going to be a whole lot of cells that happen in here now just because I manipulated it so much. But there are some cells around the edge. So I still like that. These cells are getting big. It is really, really beautiful. Alright, I'm going to touch up my edges. And then I'll be right back to bring you in for close-up. Alright, so one of the things you want to make sure you do when you're done touching up your edges is you want to scrape the drips. It's very important to do that because if you do not, then it will pull the color off of your painting. Now, when I did that, you'll see some blue paint right there that drug across there. So you just want to dip your finger in some of the white paint and dab it where the blue got. And that way it will look nice. Okay. And then you want to go around and do that on all four sides. Sorry. You're not really seeing this side very much, are you? Alright, so that's how you do that. And then once again, I need to touch up some blue right there. Alrighty. Alright, here it is. Got all of those beautiful, beautiful cells. I love the fact that there's all different shapes and sizes of them. You've got some that have lots of colors in them and some that just have a couple colors in them. They are so pretty. And even the one that I blew out extra, it still has some in there too. So I'm glad for that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut off the overheads and turn on the flash on my camera. See what we can see. So here it is. These colors are so pretty. Get this sparkle in there. Trying really hard to get the right angle so you can see it. Look at those cells. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love how these are full of all different colors, different shades of blue. This painting is for sale. If you are interested in it, shoot me an email at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. It's also in the description, as well as all of the colors that I used. So here is the whole thing again. If you liked this, I ask that you would hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to become one of my newest subscribers. Thank you so much to those of you who are already subscribed to me. I appreciate your support. And that's all I have for now. Hope you have a great one. God bless. Catch you later. Bye.